Hello, everyone. Welcome back to EngGlowUp, the channel where we turn everyday moments into English learning.
Hi, everyone. It's great to be here.
Flora here.
And I'm Michael.
Today's topic is very special to me.
Me too. I love today's topic.
Today, we are talking about how to make friends in English.
Yes, how to start a conversation, how to be friendly, how to make a new friend.
This is so important.
It really is, because making friends in a new language is not easy.
No, it can feel scary.
Very scary. But today, we will make it easy.
Yes, Flora and Michael are going to show you exactly what to say, step by step.
So, let's get started.
Let's go. Okay, Michael, imagine this. You're in a new place, maybe a new school, maybe a new job, maybe a new neighborhood.
Oh yes, I know this feeling.
And you see someone. You want to talk to them, but you don't know what to say.
This happened to me in London, my first week. I saw my neighbor every morning.
What did you do?
I smiled and looked at my shoes.
Michael,
Every morning, for 2 weeks, just smiling at my shoes.
that is not making friends.
No, it is not.
So what should you say?
The simplest thing, just say hello.
Yes, start with hello or hi. Both are good.
Hi is more casual and friendly. Hello is a little more formal.
For making friends, hi is perfect.
So you see someone, you smile, you say, "Hi, my name's Michael."
Simple, friendly, perfect.
And they will usually say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you."
And you say, nice to meet you too.
That's it. The first step is done.
It really is that simple.
I wish someone had told me that in London.
You could have made a friend 2 weeks earlier.
And saved my shoes from a lot of awkward staring.
Let's try it together. Michael, pretend you don't know me.
Okay. Hi, my name's Michael. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Michael. I'm Flora. Nice to meet you too.
See? Easy.
Very easy. Now you try it. Say hello to someone near you right now.
Or say it out loud to yourself. Practice makes perfect.
It really does. Okay, so you said hello. You know their name. What do you do next?
Ask a question.
Yes, questions are your best friend when you are making friends.
A good question shows you're interested.
And people love to talk about themselves.
They really do. So ask something simple. Where are you from?
That is a great first question.
I'm from a small town in Ohio, Millbrook.
Oh, really? I didn't know that about you, Michael.
Flora, we have worked together for 3 years.
I am practicing.
Right, yes. And you can say, "Oh, really? I'm from Mumbai."
And they might say, Mumbai, wow, is it a big city?
And you say, "Yes, it's very big and very busy."
A conversation has started.
Just from one question.
Other good questions for making friends are, do you live near here?
How long have you lived here?
Do you like it here?
These are all simple, friendly, natural,
And they all invite the other person to share something about themselves.
which is exactly what you want.
What is your favorite question to ask a new person, Michael?
I always ask, "What do you do for fun?"
Oh, that is a good one.
Because the answer tells you so much about a person.
True, and it's easy to answer.
If they say, "I love football," and you love football too,
Instant friends.
instant friends.
And if they say something you don't know, you can say, oh, interesting, tell me more.
Tell me more. 3 simple words, but very powerful.
They show you're listening, they show you're interested, and the other person will keep talking.
Which is good, because when someone talks, you have time to think.
Flora, that is very smart.
Thank you, Michael. I know.
Okay, so you said hello, you asked some questions, now what?
Now you look for something in common.
Something you both like, something you both do, something you both feel. Because friendship starts with something in common.
Exactly. So how do you find it?
You listen and you share. For example, they say, I love coffee.
And you say, "Me too. I can't start my day without it."
Instant connection.
Or they say, "I love coffee."
And you don't like coffee. Then you say, oh, really? I prefer tea, but I love sitting in coffee shops.
You found something close. A cafe, a relaxing place. That works too.
You don't need to like everything they like.
No, but you can always find something close.
Michael, what do you and your best friend have in common?
Oh, good question. We both love old movies.
Really? What kind?
Action movies from the 1980s.
That is very specific.
It is, but that's how we became friends. We were both watching the same film on a plane.
You made a friend on a plane?
On a plane. 6-hour flight, we talked the whole time.
That is a wonderful story.
We're still friends today.
See, one thing in common, one conversation, one friendship.
It really can be that simple.
Some useful phrases for finding common ground are me too, shorts and friendly.
Really? I love that too.
Oh, interesting. I have never tried that. Tell me about it.
That sounds fun. I would like to try that.
These phrases keep the conversation going, and they show the other person you're genuinely interested.
Which is the most important thing in making friends.
Yes, be genuine, be curious, be kind, and the friendship will follow. There is one more thing that helps a lot when you meet someone new.
What is that?
A compliment.
Oh, yes. A compliment is a great way to start a friendship.
A compliment is when you say something nice about someone.
Something true and kind.
For example, I love your bag. Where did you get it?
Simple, friendly, and it starts a conversation.
Or, your English is really good.
People love to hear that.
They do, especially English learners.
What other compliments can you give?
You have a beautiful smile.
Friendly, but not too personal. Good.
I love your style.
Easy and natural.
You seem really friendly.
Oh, that is a nice one.
Because if you tell someone they seem friendly,
They will want to be friendly to you.
exactly, a compliment creates a warm feeling.
And warm feelings are the beginning of friendship.
Michael, give me a compliment.
Right now?
Right now.
Okay. Flora, you always explain things very clearly. I like that about you.
That is a very good compliment.
Thank you. I practiced.
One important thing about compliments.
They must be genuine.
Yes, only say something you really mean.
A fake compliment feels fake.
People can feel it,
So be honest, be kind, and be real.
and the other person will feel good,
And Ray will want to spend more time with you.
which is exactly what making friends is about.
Okay, so you said hello, you asked questions, you found something in common, you gave a nice compliment.
And now the most important step.
Making plans.
Yes, because a nice conversation is not yet a friendship.
A friendship needs time and time together.
So you need to suggest doing something together.
And this is the part many people find hard.
It feels scary to suggest plans.
What if they say no?
What if they say no?
But here's the truth. Most people are happy to be invited.
Even if they can't come, they feel good that you asked.
So ask. Always ask.
Some simple ways to suggest plans.
Would you like to get coffee sometime?
Casual, friendly, low pressure.
Maybe we can go for a walk sometime.
Simple, easy to say yes to.
There's a new restaurant near here. Would you like to try it?
Specific, interesting, friendly.
And if you're not sure, keep it very simple.
It was great to meet you. Can I have your number?
Very direct, but friendly.
In many cultures, this is completely normal.
Yes, don't be afraid to ask.
What if they say they're busy?
That's okay. Just say, no problem, maybe another time.
Friendly, easy, no pressure.
And what if they say yes?
You make a plan, and a friendship begins.
Michael, have you ever been afraid to suggest plans to a new friend?
Oh, yes, many times.
Tell us.
In Chicago, I met a guy at a coffee shop. We talked for 1 hour. Same taste in music, same love of old movies.
Perfect friendship material.
Perfect. And then he said, "It was great to meet you, man."
And?
And I said, "Yeah, you too." And I walked away.
Michael,
I know.
you just walked away?
I was nervous. I didn't know how to ask.
And did you ever see him again?
No. And I still think about that sometimes.
See everyone, don't be like Michael in Chicago.
Don't be like Michael in Chicago. Just ask. Just say, "Hey, would you like to get coffee again sometime?"
6 words, that's all it takes.
6 words and a potential friend for life.
Don't walk away.
Never walk away. Okay, one more thing. Sometimes a conversation is hard.
Yes, sometimes you don't understand something.
Or you forget a word.
Or you feel nervous and your English disappears.
This happens to everyone.
Even me, and English is my first language.
So what do you do?
First, don't panic,
Yes, stay calm, take a breath.
and use these simple phrases.
If you don't understand, sorry, can you say that again, please?
Simple, polite, totally normal.
Or, sorry, I didn't understand. Can you speak slowly, please?
People are always happy to help.
If you forget a word, describe it.
Yes, for example, you forget the word umbrella.
You can say, it's the thing you use when it rains. You hold it above your head.
And the other person will say, oh, an umbrella.
And you say, yes, thank you, an umbrella.
And you learned the word in a real conversation.
That is the best way to learn.
And if you feel nervous and your English is not perfect,
Just keep going.
yes, keep going. Imperfect English said with a smile,
Is always better than perfect silence.
always.
People don't remember if your English was perfect.
They remember how you made them feel.
So be warm, be kind, be genuine.
And your English will be good enough every time.
Okay, bonus time, our favorite part. Yes, here are some extra phrases for making friends in English.
When you meet someone new and want to be friendly,
It's so nice to meet you.
I really enjoyed talking to you.
You seem like a really interesting person.
When you want to continue the conversation,
Tell me more about that.
that sounds really interesting.
I have never heard of that before. What is it like?
When you want to suggest plans,
We should do this again sometime.
it would be great to meet up again.
Let's stay in touch.
And when you were leaving,
It was so nice to meet you.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Take care. See you soon.
These phrases are simple
But they are powerful.
because they tell the other person,
I enjoyed talking to you.
I want to know you more.
I would like to be your friend.
And that is all anyone wants to hear.
And that is today's episode of EngGlowUp.
We talked about how to say hello for the first time,
How to ask simple, friendly questions.
how to find things in common,
How to give a genuine compliment.
how to suggest plans.
And what to say when the conversation is hard.
That is everything you need to make a new friend in English.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
You need a warm smile, a genuine question, and the courage to say hello.
The rest will follow.
And if you're nervous, think of me in London smiling at my shoes every morning.
Don't smile at your shoes. Look up, say hello, and a friendship might begin.
If this video helped you, please subscribe to EngGlowUp,
And share it with a friend who is learning English.
or someone who wants to make new friends.
Leave us a comment below. Tell us, where did you make your best friend?
We want to hear your story,
We read every comment.
every single one.
Until next time,
Keep glowing up your English.
and keep making friends.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.